Pour, pendant, depuis. Today we talk about time periods, duration, length of time in French. Coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. Alright, pour, depuis, pendant. What's the difference? Pour, it means the action is not yet completed when we are speaking. Pour. Pendant, it means the action is over when we are speaking. Depuis, the action started at depuis and it is still going on as we are speaking. So pour can be translated into for. Pendant, it's either for or during, and depuis is since. Pour, the action is not yet completed when we are speaking. Pendant, the action is over when we are speaking. And depuis, the action started at depuis and it is still going on as we are speaking. All right? So please repeat these together, my friend, with me. Pour, pendant, depuis. And now you want a sentence, an example. Of course. Let's do that together, my friend. Nous sommes avec vous pour 1 heure seulement. Puis, nous recevrons un nouveau client. We are with you for 1 hour only, then we will receive another client. Encore une fois. Nous sommes avec vous pour 1 heure seulement. Puis, nous recevrons un nouveau client. Ensemble, repeat with me, my friend. Nous sommes avec vous pour 1 heure seulement, puis nous recevrons un nouveau client. Excellent! Now, pendant. Je suis restée chez lui pendant 4 semaines. I stayed at his place for 4 weeks. Encore une fois. Je suis restée chez lui pendant 4 semaines. Ensemble. Je suis restée chez lui pendant 4 semaines. Excellent. The last one is depuis. So depuis, you can use it with a period of time. Since 1 hour, depuis 1 heure, or you can also use it with a date. Since 2015, whatever. Each time, depuis, it marks the beginning of a time period. Elle habite à Los Angeles depuis 1994. She has been living in Los Angeles since 1994. Here, my friend, pay attention. So, this is a little bonus here. Look at the verb, to live, habiter. Elle habite, this is present time. She has been living, it is definitely not a present time. So, very important, when you use depuis, in French, we use a present because the action is still going on. She's still in LA. In English, you have a different way of saying things and you use she has been living to convey the idea that the action is still going on. So very important. Depuis, many times you will use it with the present tense in French. Encore une fois. Elle habite à Los Angeles depuis 1994. Ensemble. Elle habite à Los Angeles depuis 1994. Very good, my friend. One last example. Les patients attendent dans la salle d'attente de ce médecin depuis au moins 1 heure. The patients have been waiting in this doctor's waiting room for at least 1 hour. Encore une fois. Les patients attendent dans la salle d'attente de ce médecin depuis au moins 1 heure. Ensemble, les patients attendent dans la salle d'attente de ce médecin depuis au moins 1 heure. Yes, you did it! Pour, pendant, depuis. You know everything now. Very good, my friend. So, as always, the slides that I created and used in this video are for you free of charge. Simply go to frenchwithasmile.net. I teach one-to-one lessons on Preply. The link is below. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!